Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the YouTube channel. Today we are going to deal with the topic significance of higher biodiversity at organic farms. Biodiversity is an important basis for many processes in our ecosystems to function. Habitats with numerous species are shown to better adapt to environmental changes. Many ecological processes are influenced by higher biodiversity. Pollination. Flower visiting insects such as honeybees, wild bees, and bumblebees benefit from the higher coverage and diversity of secondary flora in an organic grain fields. Organic agriculture thus improve the pollination of flowering plants in the surrounding environment. Reduction in soil erosion on arable land. Diverse plants grown on organic farms reduce the loss of soil by erosion. Growing of legumes and other deep-rooted crops help to bind soil particles together and hence reduce soil erosion. Further, microbial activity is high in soils at organic farm, which in turn improves soil structure. The water holding capacity of soil increases and it absorbs more water and remains moist for a longer time. It results in reduced loss of water by runoff and hence prevents the loss of soil. Degradation of dung and other organic matter. Organic pastures allow richer fauna to exist in dung than in conventional pastures. As they are not contaminated by chemical veterinary drugs, dung fauna considerably add to the degradation and recycling of dung and in turn improve the quality of produce. Natural pest reduction. Organic farming leads to a significantly more balanced number of beneficial insects that reduce pests and yield losses in crops. Certain insects, pests harmful to crops are controlled by other insects. Predators. Such predatory insects are found in more number in organic farms. Insect pest, aphids, insect predator, lacewing, ladybug, minute pirate bug, and praying mantis. Cabbage lubers, parasitic wasp, caterpillars, minute pirate bug, parasitic wasp, cutworms, parasitic wasp. Organic farming. Organic farming interlinks agriculture, animals, and human beings with each other, which is a interlink between healthy people, healthy society, healthy states, healthy world, healthy ecosystem, healthy soil, sustainable production, healthy crop, and healthy food.